In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your day with Asana. If you're looking to streamline your tasks and enhance your productivity using Asana, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can efficiently manage your daily tasks with this powerful tool. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Asana website. You'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. Doing so will take you to the login options. If you're like many of us, keeping everything tied to one account streamlines the process significantly. So click on Continue with Google and select the Google account associated with your Asana workspace. This allows you seamless access without having to remember another set of login credentials. Once you're logged in and facing the Asana dashboard, take a look at the left panel. Here you'll find an option labeled My Tasks. Click on this section. The My Tasks view is where the magic happens. This area automatically populates with items assigned to you, acting like a personal command center for your day. From the list of tasks shown, you can select any task that you're planning to work on. Clicking on a task reveals its details on the right side of your screen. Reviewing these details ensures you're up to date with any subtasks or comments that might affect how you approach the work. Once you've completed a task, it's essential to mark it as done. This not only provides a sense of achievement, but also keeps your workspace clutter-free. Simply locate the Mark Complete button in the task's detail view and click it. Watching tasks disappear from your list as you complete them can be incredibly satisfying and motivating. Now, if you ever need to add a task, the process is quite straightforward. Look for the Add Task button, usually found prominently in the My Tasks section. Clicking this allows you to input details relevant to your new task. You can assign it to yourself or a team member, set due dates, and add any notes or attachments that might be needed for its completion. This ensures that nothing slips through the cracks and all important work is captured in your Asana timeline. By following these steps, you can structure your day with focus and intention, leveraging Asana to its fullest. With consistent use, you'll find managing your tasks becomes second nature, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help make planning your day a breeze.